Hey guys, today I'll be making mini potatoes in my Instant Pot. So let's get started. So what I'll be using today is some butter, 1 tablespoon of dried parsley, 1.5 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of chili flakes, salt to taste, about 15 mini potatoes, half a cup of vegetable broth, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. So let's get started. So first you're going to put your Instant Pot on saute mode and then let the butter melt. Now add the potatoes, the garlic powder, some salt, and your parsley, and your chili peppers, and then stir for a few seconds until the butter coated all the potatoes. Now add your lemon juice and your vegetable broth. I would like to thank SteamMates for sending me Henry to try out with my Instant Pot. Let's open it up and see how it works. So this is Henry. This gadget is supposed to stop the steam from blowing upwards, and I'm very excited to try this. I would also like to mention there is a female version of SteamMates and her name is Ruby. So I will remove the valve on my Instant Pot and I'll put Henry over it at the bottom, and then I'm going to push it in. Then I'll place it back on the Instant Pot and I'll set the valve to sealing. Back to our potatoes. I'll set the Instant Pot on manual for 4 minutes. So as you can see, the steam blows out sideways instead of upwards, which I always hate because it goes into my cupboards. I'll definitely be using this every time I use the Instant Pot. I'll have the link in the description so you can head over to SteamMates and buy your very own Henry or Ruby, which is the female version. And there you have it. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and share my video. And also buy a Henry.